Hi, my name is Karthik, and my project is all about biogas. Biogas is produced by the breakdown of organic matter in an oxygen-free environment. This clean, renewable, and sustainable gas can even replace fossil fuels, which means that it can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which in turn could give us more time to plan out a clean, renewable, sustainable, fossil fuel-free future. Haha, there's a tongue twister. Production of biogas from organic waste is important to our society because of its potential role in waste management. As organic waste decomposes, they produce large amounts of methane. Methane is a powerful greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere roughly 30 times more than carbon dioxide. So to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and the risk of pollution, organic waste can be removed and redirected to produce biogas. In my experiment, different kinds of animal wastes, like cow dung and sheep manure, were used along with spent mushroom substrate, or SMS, which is a waste material from mushroom cultivation. I chose SMS because the organic material is already delignified, which is a fancy word for partially broken down into simple sugars by the mushroom's growth on the substrate. The most basic definition of delignification is the separation of lignin from cellulose and hemicellulose in the plant cell wall, in order to access the simple sugars needed for biogas production. I specifically chose a substrate that had grown oyster mushrooms, since this group of fungi, called white rot, has higher potential than any other group of mushrooms to cause delignification. So this would mean that the time required to produce biogas will be cut down significantly. I was curious to see which one of these animal manures, cow, sheep, or maybe a combination of both, would produce the most amount of biogas when treated with SMS. I did 3 trials in total. The biogas produced in the first 2 trials were measured using the balloon method. In the third trial, the water displacement method was used because it could produce more accurate results compared to the balloon method. The balloon circumference in the second trial and the displaced water in the last trial gave me the results I needed to come to a valid conclusion. Overall, the results from all 3 trials suggest that the greatest amount of gas is produced in the slurry with the combination of sheep manure, cow dung, and SMS by a small margin over sheep manure and SMS. Please continue reading to learn more about my project and let me know what you think. I hope you like it.